Hi everybody, happy Monday. I'm so excited to be back here in the VIP room teaching my VIPs live today at 8 a.m. with this Just Thin. We're going to be doing elongating moves. We're going to pack on some sexy, lean, athletic muscle tone. No tricks here, only treats. And you're going to need your kettlebell. So if you have a kettlebell, have it ready. If you don't, that's okay. I'll show you what to do to modify. And this Wednesday, I'm going to be covering how to brush yourself thin, how to get rid of that trapped cellulite. This is like the #1 thing you guys always email me. So I'll be covering that plus so much more. I'm going to give you all the luxury spa secrets that they don't tell you about because your skin is your largest organ and it really helps you flush the fat when you do certain things. So if you have any questions, make sure you share them with me and welcome our new VIP members. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Piper and our beautiful new friends. So get ready for our 8 o'clock workout. I'll see you guys soon. Let's do this. Hello, Brooke. Missed you guys. Let's do this.